These sunflower stalks are dried up and spent, but I definitely want to save the seeds so I can have a ton of sunflowers next year or share them with friends. The birds definitely love eating the fallen seeds, as you can see, or they will perch and peck at the seeds. And I'll definitely throw some seeds out here or maybe even leave a spent sunflower head out here for them to pick at, but my garden has lots of other food for them right now. If we take a closer look, these sunflower seeds are more than ready to harvest. Because the stalks are so nice and thick, I definitely want to use them as support stakes for other plants in my garden later, so I always save them if I can. And rather than pulling these out of the ground, I am going to cut them down at the base so that the roots can fully decompose underneath the soil, leaving behind more nutrients. So this job looks like one fit for my hory knife, so I'm going to try and saw these sunflower stalks down. Okay, the sawing motion is definitely going to make me lose too many seeds with the shaking, and this stalk is feeling really hard, so I am going to go get some loppers. Okay, here we go, loppers. Boom, okay, that was way easier. I'll cut down the second stalk now. Here we go. All right, seed saving time. There's a few ways you can go about getting the seeds out. I am going to use gloves because it can get a bit prickly, but I generally like to just get a container or something and just work the seeds out. You could also shake the heads and let the seeds fall, and you can see that some do fall out pretty easily. I've also seen some people take the heads and just kind of smack them on the ground or into a box, but I really find just working the seeds out with your hands is faster and more effective overall. So you will end up with a bunch of excess fluff that are not seeds, referred to as chaff, and you can leave them with the seeds if you're just planning on tossing a bunch of seeds everywhere. But if you are really picky, you can sort through them. Some people like to do what's called winnowing, where they blow on the seeds or have a fan to blow off the chaff, or they have sifting machines. We don't get too fancy here, so I am happy to just leave the chaff or pick out the seeds. They are big enough and obvious enough. But now I have more than enough seeds for next year.